For these pretty flowers, I used 2 colors of a light 1-inch glitter ribbon, using triple of the width, that's 3 inches as the length. Next, I will twist the middle this way and fold from the center to form a triangular tip. We will be folding both ends to rest on the surface, which will give us a flat looking petal. To hold in place, you can simply burn and seal the ends with your lighter. Due to its flat nature, you can have up to 3 to 4 layers, which I will be showing you in this video. I will be making 24 pieces of these petals to make a full and gorgeous looking flower, as you can see from the sample picture. So I will be using 2 different colors for this demonstration. I already have my 4.5 cm circular part cut out from scuba material, which will serve as a base and platform to assemble the petals. Like I said earlier, I'll be using 3 layers to form the flower. The first layer will be a circular roll of 10 petals, the second one will be of 8 petals, and the last one will be made up of 6 petals. First of all, we will spread our glue at the tip of the circular part, and we will begin to paste the petals following the round part. While placing the petals round the circular part, make sure you avoid leaving any space in between the petals. Because I want to use equal number of colors for the golden and silver petals, I will add 5 silver petals once I already have 5 golden petals. If you are enjoying this video and wish to have us make more of them, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So now that we are done with the first layer, we will have to include the second layer. Take note of where I am placing the first petal in between the 2 colors. This time around, you should place the petals to overlap each other. Once I have a half circle of 4 golden petals, I will then include another 4 silver petals to make it 8 in a row. Finally, we will be adding the last layer of 6 petals with 3 petals for each colors. Remember, you are not limited to the kind of arrangement you can use. You can choose to mix up the colors, or you can even have one color all through. I really love this pattern of arrangement when it comes to using different colors, because it is usually very vibrant, especially for contrasting colors. At this point, we can now add our embellishments, and other small handmade rules. This is really gorgeous. I can't wait to see yours. If you would like to get further updates on our upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.